Alright, this video is going over question number 8 from the homework. Thoughts on this? This is a little weird because you got logs on both sides. Alright, but I guess the first thing I would realize is that this is just a number. Log base 3 of 5 is just a number we can do on our calculator. Okay, so I'm going to leave the left-hand side alone, but just type that into the calculator. Okay, and I'm going to do log divided by log. So I'm trying to do log base 3 of 5. So I'm just going to do log 5 divided by log 3. Okay, and we're going to get some crazy decimal here. It should be about 1.5, well, 1.46 about. Okay, so this is about 1.46. Okay, and now I can just switch forms, right? So now that I cleaned up that side, I'm going to go base is 9, exponent is the 1.46, and then the value is x. So I'm switching from log into exponential. So my answer is going to be x equals 9 to that power. So on the calculator, I'm going to do it precisely. I'm going to do 9 hat, and then instead of 1.46, I'm going to use my previous answer key. Okay, so it looks like it comes out actually pretty nice and neat to 25. All right, so our answer here, well, that is all messed up, but it should be x is 25. All right, thanks for watching.